So as we decided yesterday that below this level we have to avoid trading, and once it crosses this level then we can aim for this target, and we have achieved one. You can see we achieved 42 pips. I had told earlier also, any V-shaped recovery, avoid it, wait for it. Once it crosses this level then only we have to trade. This whole zone was a no trade zone, and above this level we had good target of 42 pips, and we have achieved after two SLs. First SL was when it went here and then gave completely reversal move again, and on the third time we have achieved 42 pips. That's how risk reward works in our favor. That's why we follow risk management, and this is the only way we can track it. Okay, and sudden red candle, this wasn't expected, and this sudden move came. I didn't knew, but our exit was here and above that level. We haven't traded since then. Now I'll modify new support and resistances. New support and resistances have been modified. So one thing's for sure, that this sudden move wasn't accounted for, and this sudden move wasn't expected. So nobody would have taken trade. Those who have taken in scalping might have profited. So in this one below this level we have to look for shorting opportunities, and if it crosses this level then we have to continue this momentum. If in any case it gives a reversal, better to trade in half quantity, and only above this level we have to look for buying opportunities. Okay, so same in Euro USD also. Above this level we had decided that we have to trade, and this was the target. I told that we have to wait for a retracement, and once the retracement comes it's better that we take with this as target, and this will be second. I didn't expect it that it will move further, but I'll now modify new support and resistances. And I had also told that we have to take in half quantity only, because the reason is trend is on the downside, and now it has moved above this level, and once it moves above this level then only we can be sure that it will move in our direction. So I'll modify new support and resistances. New support and resistances have been modified. And one thing, that if any move comes from here or here, we have to look for buying opportunities with this as target. It's better to short only in half quantity in this level, and again look for buying opportunities when it is giving a bullish trend or bullish pattern. So same in GBPUSD also. I had told that this will be a very volatile area, so it's better not to trade. You can see from that time onwards we are seeing a volatile area, and after that above this level only we have to look for buying opportunities, and we got one also. From here till here we have achieved 67 pips. Now I'll modify new support and resistances. New support and resistances have been modified. Any sudden move from below this level, we can look for shorting opportunities, and this whole zone will be a buying opportunity from here till here. And also in this level only, if sudden move comes, we can expect a V-shaped recovery and then take a move on the upside. So on Bitcoin, nothing new, same as old analysis. Until and unless this level is crossed, it's better to avoid this whole zone and no trade in this whole zone. If it crosses below this level, short in half quantity. Above this level, take in half quantity. Reason being, this whole zone is a volatile area. Okay, and if it goes above this level, then we can look for full quantity. And if it crosses below this level, then only we can look for full quantity. Until and unless it crosses these levels, it's better to trade in half quantity. And if it remains in this zone, it's better not to trade. And gold has surprised us again. This whole zone was a no trade zone. Above this level we had to look for buying opportunities, and we got one also. Here till here we have achieved 780 pips. That's very huge. Told that we have to take in half quantity only. Reason being, it is at the top. So now I'll modify new support and resistances. New support and resistances have been modified, same as old. Above this level we can look for buying opportunities. It's better to take in half quantity only because market is at the top. Any sudden move below this level, we can look for a V-shaped recovery. Okay, from here till here, any sudden move we can look for V-shaped recovery, and it's better to take in half quantity in this whole zones. And if it crosses below this level, then we can look for shorting opportunities. And if it crosses, then also if you want to short in half quantity. Okay, if you like my video or looking for investment purpose in gold, let me show you one thing. From here till here, gold has given 31%. From here till here, it has given 51%. From here till here, it has given 55%. And that too in how many days? If we calculate from here till here, it has given this in 450. It has given these in 490 days. And you can assume from here till here, it has given this in 184 days. You can see it is just half. And let me show you one thing, how the gold is moving from this level to this. It has almost given 3 times of what we were expecting. Okay, and that too in a very short term. And same type of return it was giving in here in this zone. You see this zone, same scenario, same. From here till here, you can see in 273 days it has given 37%. You see almost same pattern, and then it gave a retracement, and after that it continued the same momentum. So what I'm saying is, you should always wait let it go, wait for a perfect opportunities. And if you are still in a FOMO, it's better to take 1/10 of the quantity and buy gold, because the movement you are seeing from here till here, it is very high chances that gold will reach 4,000 easily, 4,100, and then you can take a trade. Because the problem is, if it doesn't goes, you can see market has almost reversed from here till here. It gave 92% in 669 days, and then after that it went consolidating. You see gold from this 2013 to 2020, it remained in the same zone, and from here 2020 to 2023 also same. So what I am saying is, if you want to invest, wait for a retracement, it will come till 4,000, and then you can again buy. And if you are in a very FOMO, you can divide your whole investment in 10 parts, and then take 1/10 of the quantity here, of the whole quantity you wanted. Because if it moves like this, there are very high chances, like it move here, you can see here, it went and kept on going. Similar type of pattern is being made in here, and it will give retracement no matter what. So it's better to wait for a retracement. So I'll tell you one thing, no matter what happens, gold moves anywhere, it will retrace till 50% of the move, and there are very high chances you will re-enter in here, and you can aim for a bigger targets. Because the thing is, you have never missed the trend, so it's better you wait. You see, it has given sometimes it has given complete v-shaped retracement and then went again. Same here, straight line move, here it has retraced 50% of the move, again breakout, and you see 50% of the retracement. From here onwards, we haven't seen a 50% retracement. You see, there are very high chances, if it keeps on moving like this, we may see it may come till 3,500 too. So that's why I'm saying avoid it, wait. And it's better not to go full on in here. It's better you divide your quantity in 10 parts and then trade. Please like and share, friends. Thank you.